Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be tracing all these alphabets one by one with different colors. Let us get started. This is brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. This is dark green color. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. This is red color. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. This is purple color. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas. This is dark blue color. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Let us start reading one by one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you kids for tracing these letters with me. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.